this example, we discussed the usage of net present value calculation in Excel. I have here a simple example. Suppose Tom is interested in investing in real estate. This apartment costs $425,000 as an initial investment, and after he buys it, at the end of each year, he expects cash inflow to be $30,000 per year. And he expects to hold this apartment for 7 years. And at the end of 8th year, he's supposed to sell it. And the selling price to be $470,000. Now the central question is, what is the net present value of this whole investment? Before we talk about the NPV function itself, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, this NPV function assumes the cash flows happens at regular intervals. So if your cash inflow and outflow doesn't happen at regular interval, you need to use another function called XNPV. The second thing is that NPV does not take into account the initial investment. That is, any cash outflow happens at time 0. And therefore, we should be careful not to include, in this example, the initial purchase price of this investment. Having said that, the function itself is very straightforward to use. It just requires, first of all, a discount rate, which we specify in cell B3, 5%, and then the series of cash inflow. So in this example, it is from year 1 until the end of horizon where Thomas sells the apartment. And the last one is we can close this NPV calculation. The last step is to add back the initial purchase price, which we do here. And after we click enter, we have the results. So the net present value for this whole project is about $66,000.